Adding a voiceover in CapCut is a great way to make your videos more engaging and personalized. In this tutorial, I'll show you step-by-step how to add and edit a voiceover in your project. First, open the CapCut app and select the project where you want to add the voiceover. At the bottom of the screen, tap on the audio option. Here, you'll see different choices. If you want to record your own voice, tap on Record. Next, tap on the microphone button and start speaking to record your voiceover. When you're done, tap the microphone button again to stop recording. Your voiceover will now be added directly to the timeline of your video. If you want, you can also edit the voiceover, adjust the timing, trim it, or even apply effects to match your video perfectly. And that's it. You've successfully added a voiceover to your video in CapCut. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more easy and helpful video editing tutorials.